Can you hear it? Can you hear the small amount of water that's running down? Can you hear the birds in the background? When I walked up on this, my first thought was, well, this is almost a waterfall. And then almost immediately, my thought was, no, it is a waterfall. Even though it may have a little bit of water, I bet when it's raining, that water is just gushing down through there. And it made me think about, how sometimes we go through dry spells. Sometimes we know that there's something in us. We're made for something. We're designed for something. And it might not be happening right now. Or it may just be this little bitty trickling like this water coming down this waterfall right now. But just the right connection, in the right timing, then this is going to be just magnificent. And that's the same with us. God has put things in us. And maybe it's not flowing the way we want it to right now. Maybe it's in a dormant state, but that doesn't mean it's not there. It doesn't mean that it will never be flourishing. Don't stop believing. Don't stop being who you were designed to be. Don't stop being ready for when that right thing and that right timing comes. It's amazing what God teaches us in nature. Be who you are. In the right time, in the right season, God will cause you to flourish. Just don't stop being.